Welcome back, guys, to another video. So today I'll be reviewing these pure bass headphones from JBL. So these cost $60 and I got these today. So I'm just gonna do a review on them and how they sound and all that. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's open up the box. I actually hate this box. I've been trying to open it for a lot. Oh, okay, there's these stickers on the side that I have to open right there. Right. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have the box. Throw that away. We have a user manual and something else. We'll open that later. So over here we have this cardboard thing. Oops. And then the actual headphones. So let's take out the charger, orange charger, and some ear cap thingies. And the actual headphones, earphones. Okay, so these are actually pretty nicely constructed. They look pretty nice. So over here we have a volume control. If I can get that to focus. Yep, right there. So I think this is a mic and this is to charge the earphones over here. I don't know if I can. It's a micro USB type C. No, just B. So, and it has a microphone right there. And this should be the other amplifier. So let's try and turn these on. I think it turns on from here. There's no lights. So as you can see, it's a bit like curved. If I can get this to come off. At the front it's a bit curved so it fits properly into your ear, just there. And I actually got these on sale for Boxing Day. From $60 I got them for $44, and that's pretty good deal. Like, it's not too bad depending on the Boxing Day sale. Now I can't get on. Alright, so let me just do a sound test on these real quick. Alright guys, so I have these hooked up to this S7. These are actually really loud for this size. I'll try and let you guys hear if it works. So that was right up next to the microphone. So as you can probably hear, they are really loud. Like, for this size, they have a lot of bass. Like, they're bass packed. And I've tested a lot of earphones. These are probably by far the best ones I've ever used. So, and this orange theme, it looks really nice if it focuses. There. So let's see if it can charge. So right here, open this up, and I didn't take the charger out of the bag. Alright, so the birds are coming out. Let me just plug it in. Alright, so I have it plugged into this power bank, this verbatim power bank. And let's see if it charges. So these do have a battery life for 6 hours. That's more than enough for wireless earphones. So plugged in. Okay, so once you plug it in, it actually stops it from like playing the music through the earphones. That's okay, cause you don't want to like overdo the thing. the drivers. So let's just see the specs. They have a 8.6mm drivers on each end, and that's why there's both there's 2 amps on both sides, so these black things. And apparently they have magnetic cable management, so let's just see. Let's just take that out of here. Oops. So, oh, that's actually really good. So this basically just stops it from tangling up once it's in your bag or anything else. So as you can see, if I bring it close, it just lets go like that. So that's pretty neat. And you can also call people from this. And it has small, medium, and large ear cups. I think currently it's the small ones that are already installed onto it. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed. This is my first proper overhead video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, bye.